Alright, so I've been thinking about an alternative form of air conditioning. I was thinking something like what I might call a swamp cooler. Just kind of a pump and dump sort of um, system for circulating cool water and using some sort of heat exchanger in order to lower the temperature of the air. So I hacked together a basic prototype of this idea, and there it sits. Basically what I'm thinking is, over here we'll have cold water from the indoor house plumbing. I used garden hoses to make it easy to hook up. Just whatever random fittings I needed to have in order to go into the radiator's regular 1.25 inch hose. And then this will be put into the furnace, and so this will collect the heat from the air, and the water will get warmer and warmer and warmer and warmer, and then it'll come out this side, and we'll cut this hose off about here, and then we'll hook this up, and then this hose can run away to the floor drain. Pump and dump.